guys!
Good morning from Edinburgh. This is our first day here and we are on our way to do our first ever free walking tour. Really looking forward to it. And also, it has been snowing here.
So we got at our meeting point, got our tickets, and our tour will start in about 10 minutes. We just visited the Royal Mile, which isn't actually a mile because the Scots measured miles differently than the English did. But they still call it a mile because that just makes sense, I guess. And apart from that, it isn't even really royal either because the royal family never really visits. But yeah.
Edinburgh Castle has been built 900 years ago on top of an ancient volcano, and all of the landscape you find around Scotland has been formed 20,000 years ago in the last ice age. Pretty cool.
This is a 2-hour tour, and I never thought I could get this much information overload in 2 hours.
We just finished our first ever walking tour. It was epic, but we're freezing.
But it was so worth it.
We spotted a cafe on the way here and we're going to check that out as it has gluten-free signs already outside. So it looks really promising, and we are freezing, so we need to warm up quickly.
So we found some place to eat some lunch, and I ordered a chicken tagine, which looks really good. Hugo ordered a rabbit casserole. Well, I think we'll enjoy our meal. Just had our lunch and we decided to go to the Scottish National Gallery. We saw quite a lot of Renaissance paintings, a lot of Impressionism, which I'm a huge fan of, and all of that for free. So traveling on a budget isn't all that bad when you're in Edinburgh.
We are now on our way to one of our favorite bookshops in the world. It's called Waterstones, and they are all over England, and there's even one in Amsterdam as well, which I try to visit every once in a while.
We're just gonna keep wandering around here for a bit.
So we're going to end today's vlog here. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
Bye.